Exploring academic phrasal verbs, describing research. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our video series on advanced vocabulary. Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic phrasal verbs. Specifically, we'll be focusing on phrasal verbs for describing research. So, if you're a student, academic professional, or just someone who's interested in ramping up their academic vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's do a quick refresher first. Phrasal verbs are combinations of words from different grammatical categories such as a verb and an adverb or a verb and a preposition. They often take on unique meanings that can be quite different from the meanings of their individual parts. In academic contexts, these phrasal verbs are especially important because they're frequently used to describe various aspects of research. Now, let's look at some of the most common phrasal verbs used for describing research. 1. Carry out. To carry out research means to conduct or perform the research. Example: the scientists carried out an experiment to test the hypothesis. 2. Look into. If you're looking into a question or a problem, you're investigating or researching it. Example: we need to look into the effects of climate change more deeply. 3. Set up. To set up an experiment or study means to prepare or arrange it. Example: the team set up a series of tests to evaluate the new design. 4. Point out. When you point out a fact or a finding in your research, you're drawing attention to it. Example: the author points out several inconsistencies in the previous studies. 5. Draw upon. To draw upon something in your research means to use or refer to it. Example: this research draws upon data from multiple sources. Remember, the key to mastering these phrasal verbs is practice. Try to use these in your own academic writing or in your everyday conversations. Make a sentence with each of these phrasal verbs, and soon you'll find them becoming a natural part of your academic vocabulary. And that wraps up our discussion on phrasal verbs for describing research. I hope you found this video helpful and enriching. Don't forget to revisit these phrases and practice using them. In the world of academia, a strong command over language is as important as knowledge in your field of study. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll master these in no time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next lesson in advanced vocabulary.